Welcome to another exciting video. Today we are making pork sausage. So do it yourself pork sausage. On the plate there you see I have some brown looking stuff. It's about 1.5 pounds of pork. I look for the chopped area, the area that is white. I have it cut up with a chef knife. I add my spice, my white onion, my scotch bonnet pepper, my garlic, and I add a little jerk season to that too. I add also some ground pimento and a little cumin. Very important, and I have all of those mixed. But what I did, I allow it to marinate for a day in an airtight container. Also added to that mix was French thyme. I had 2 leaves of French thyme and I had about 4 leaves of fresh basil to that mix that was marinated. So I had a spoon there and a fork. The spoon is to take up the mix, and I'm going to use foil paper. I have no pork intestine to use as my casing. So there I have on my food grade gloves, and I'm using a number of spoons special so I get a good scoop. I want to make 3 sausages at the end. So what I am doing, put in the amount and then I shape it out in an oblong form and try to roll it. It won't be perfect, it won't be round because you want that firm casing. So there am I, making it oblong, shaping it, firming it together so that it doesn't crumble when we start cooking. So there, shaping it out. Getting that to about 5 to 6 inches. Yeah, remember to leave your comment below. Comments are very important. Very important. So there I go, shaping the sausage. How does that look? That looks good. That looks good. Estimating, there. Nice. Again, as soon as you are finished, you can just dispose of those gloves. So I'm going to do my folding, my wrapping there. Nice and gentle. Nice and gentle. Trying to get it down a little bit more. It's too close up. Want to make the first fold and it covers all of that sausage material. And I roll in there nice and gentle. Nice and gentle. Here we go. Nice and gentle. There's the first one, so we need to try and make a link. How we make the link? We just twist the end of each. There, twist like a link. Go to the other end, we firm it up, and then we make a twist. Right, so there goes the first. So there goes our first sausage. We had skipped one of the process. So what remains is material for the final sausage. So there the step has been skipped for the second one. Final one we're making. So in the end we will have 3 sausages. So we're getting all of the last stuff on. All of it. So we can make our final sausage. Again, the first one is larger than the others. So it's the largest, and as we go down, they get smaller. Again, the process is nearly the same, but we're just trying to shape it, have it firm up, so that when it is cooked, it doesn't crumble. So I am there trying to shape it as best as possible. So when I start to roll it, right, firming it up, taking as much time as possible, more time than the other two, before I start the rolling process. So I have to roll it with the foil. So there, more than ample time getting it ready, firming the ends, right? So I can start the process of rolling it in the foil. I have to do that gently. Let me go in, doing it gently. This one is small, about 2.5 inches to 3 inches. It is the smallest of the three. Again, the ends, I squeeze the ends and then I twist them to make like a link, preventing much of the juice from coming out. So when I'm through with that on the board, again I will roll it a little. Yeah? Roll it a little to get it in that nice cylindrical shape. So I'm putting them back on 3 sausages. Here we go, the 3 sausages. I'm going to put those on my newest stove. You will see that video, or you should have seen it already. Comment and let me know what you think. There they are, looking well. 3 do-it-yourself sausages, pork sausage. That is, they're well marinated with very little salt. Look at them. Looking good. Next, they will be placed on the grill. I have that stove nicely lit with some red flame. There. Have them placed on. Look at the flame, red. And they are on. Right? Beautiful. Beautiful. They're on. And I will turn them periodically. So there goes our 3 pork sausage. I prepare the tender part of the pork, part of chops, the white meat. Should have got about 30% fat. That was lacking. Use a small amount of fat. The more fat, the juicier the pork will be. But these, the pork sausage will be. These sausages will be sliced, not today, but another day. So they will be chilled after we're finished with them. I may pull one just for us to see. Finished products. Wait until tomorrow, you will see them. So I'll have them chilled in the refrigerator, and then you will see them tomorrow. So here I've opened one of the sausages. Look at it.
Nice, but it's not as round as I would want it. The casing is the issue. Let us try and open another. I try to toggle the ends, and you will see. I'll try and open it quickly from the end. Struggling to get it open, but eventually it will go. Get in there all the juice that has come out. Yeah, nice homemade sausage, nice and beauty. Well, try a piece of it. They are nice and spicy. Oh, yeah. Ready to go. So there you have it. 2 sausages open. You know, these can be sliced and had in sandwiches, sliced and had with your egg, whatever you want to have it with. Nice barbecue sauce, and you have them dipping it. These are the sausages that I had made yesterday. Hope you find them well. You find them well.